fellow developers. Today we'll be using our ESP32-CAM to work as our system camera. So the ESP32-CAM will be connected to the system. You can use it to take pictures and make video. So what will you be needing in this project? You'll be needing ESP32-CAM. As you can see, I have one here. You'll be needing the USB to TTL converter, which we'll be using to program the ESP32-CAM from the computer, and then you'll be needing some jumpers. So the circuit connection for this, you can see it on the screen. This is how the USB to TTL can be connected to the ESP32-CAM to program it, and it can also serve as the power. So we use it to power the ESP32-CAM to use it with our system camera. So another thing that you'll be needing for this project is you'll be needing an Arduino IDE. That is where we'll be writing the code that will help this ESP32-CAM to capture frames and then send it across the Wi-Fi network, and then you will now write a program on your computer that can pick these frames across the Wi-Fi network, and then you can actually take pictures and do video with it. So the program in this project will be written in C++. I'll be using OpenCV framework for doing the image processing. So stay tuned to see how it is being done. So what I have here now is the setup of my ESP32-CAM and the USB to TTL. So the first thing I do is to connect it to my computer. So if I connect it to my computer, I'll come and make sure that I'll search for the Wi-Fi and make sure it is connected. So this is the ESP32-CAM, and I'll connect it. So it's taking, oh, wonderful, it has connected. So let's run the program first. Let's see what we'll have. And so this is executable file. These are the videos I've done before, so I will delete them. So let me run the executable file. Okay, so you see the video now. So let me support this. Let me keep it like this so that I can actually see my face properly. Okay, now, so okay, let me tweet it a bit. Okay, I think this is better now. This is better. So with this, I can take pictures and do videos. So I have three keys from my keyboard working. I have C for capture, S for to start a video, and B to stop video. So if I press C now, it's going to capture me. And when I go back to our folder, I'll see that I actually captured an image, which when I open it, I'm going to see the image that was being captured. Oh, beautiful. Look at it. So I was actually talking. So I can actually capture more images by pressing C. And when I move back to the folder, I see that the image was actually being captured and saved. So I can take video. I will press S to start recording video, and you see the video has started recording. And I can move about, and I'll press B now to stop recording the video. So now when I go back, I'll see that it has actually recorded the video. So let's play it and be sure that it was what we picked here that it is. Okay, look at it. So you see, that was the actual video that was recorded that played. So this is actually how this software works. So now let's go back and see the development, how this was actually being developed. So let me close this software. Okay, so let's first of all go over the code that runs on the ESP32-CAM. The code was written on Arduino IDE. So this is the code here now. So first of all, before you can do this, you're supposed to have installed the board definition for ESP32 on your computer, on your Arduino IDE rather. So after that, you now install this header file, ESP32 cam.h. You can get it on GitHub. And this is where you declare the Wi-Fi name for your ESP32-CAM. You can see when we actually got it connected, that was the name there. So you will see the name. So see the name. So and then the password we used for the connection, that is the password. We initiate for resolution for the camera. So I actually have two functions here to send only picture and to send motion picture. So motion JPG is to stream video. So this is where we're actually going to concentrate more on this function. So this function, we're actually telling the we're actually telling it that we are sending a HTTP command and then the HTTP header. So this function was used to capture a frame using the ESP32-CAM. So this is the data type for each of the frame, a unique pointer of ESP32-CAM frame. So we check if it is empty. If it is empty, then it prints on the screen that capture has failed. If it is not empty, then it actually sends the frame to the client. So this is basically what this code is doing. So a link to GitHub where this code is will be attached to this video, so you can actually go and check out the code. So now let's see the C++ code and how it functions. Okay, so here is the C++ code. So from the header file, you see that we're using OpenCV for image processing. Then let's get to the main. So this is the video capture object. We're actually streaming from the IP address of the camera. So the video capture object in OpenCV has the ability to read from your computer webcam and also read from an IP camera. So that is the functionality to use read from an IP camera is what we made use of here. And we check if the camera is open. If it is open, then we'll read the video. After reading the video, it is being flipped because it's facing me here, so it's need to flip. And after flipping, we'll now pick the keys that are being pressed from the keyboard, Q to quit, W to start recording, S to start recording, B to stop recording, and C to capture images. So let's check for recording. If you want to start recording, the first thing you do is to get the file name that you actually want to use. So when you watch the files that we actually captured, you see that it is being saved with the time. The difference is the IMG and the VID for each of them. So when you take the image as well, you see we'll try to get the file name, but difference here is the argument that will pass to the get file name function. Here we'll have I, and in the video we'll have V. So let's go to the function for get file name. So it picks that particular character, reads the current time from the computer, and use the current time to get the year, month, day, hour, minute, and seconds. And it now use the Apple string to form the file name. If it is V, that means it's a video, it uses VID. If it's an image, it's going to use IMG and add other parameters. And if it is a video, it ends with .mp4 and for video.jpg and it returns that value. So that file name was gotten here. Then the frame width and height of the video was also gotten, and the video writer object was now being used to create that file, telling it that it's a motion JPG, and start writing the video. Start writing each frame to the file. So after creating this, it turns this flag on so that once it comes to this place, once this flag is on that it is recording, it stores each frame into that video. It stores each frame into that video. And then after which it now draws the circle and then writes the recording that you can actually see on the screen while it is recording. So this is simply how you can use your ESP32-CAM as your using your ESP32-CAM as your system camera to take pictures with OpenCV and C++. See you in another video. Thank you.